This commercial beverage refrigerator represents a sophisticated solution engineered specifically for restaurants, bars, and hospitality establishments requiring professional-grade beverage display and temperature control throughout extended service periods. The automatic defrost system works in conjunction with the commercial-grade cooling mechanism to eliminate ice accumulation while maintaining consistent temperatures in the optimal 33 to 48 degrees Fahrenheit range suitable for diverse beverage preservation across multiple product categories. The adjustable shelving system provides customizable interior configuration enabling accommodation of tall bottles, short-stacked packaging, and irregular beverage containers within the same unit, maximizing storage efficiency and accommodating dynamic product assortments. The energy-efficient design incorporates self-closing door mechanisms that minimize energy wastage after each customer or staff access, significantly reducing operational electricity consumption and compressor workload throughout extended daily operating hours. We share by links in description box. The automatic defrost system further optimizes energy efficiency by eliminating the necessity for manual intervention, reducing operational labor requirements and ensuring consistent performance regardless of environmental humidity or usage intensity. The robust aluminum door construction incorporates a sophisticated torsion-type self-closing mechanism guaranteeing consistent, secure seals that prevent cold air escape and minimize refrigeration system workload, ultimately extending compressor lifespan and reducing long-term maintenance requirements. The LED interior lighting uniformly and brightly illuminates all storage shelves throughout the cabinet, enhancing customer visibility of displayed beverages and creating visually appealing product presentation that attracts consumer attention and encourages beverage purchases. The professional 3-year whole parts warranty combined with an impressive 5-year compressor warranty demonstrates exceptional manufacturer confidence in product longevity and reliability. The high-capacity refrigeration system consistently maintains temperatures and accommodates substantial quantities of items, enabling reliable high-demand environment operation and simultaneous storage of diverse perishable products including dairy items, packaged foods, beverages, and frozen products.